From down south, Chennai and Coimbatore will go under more stringent lockdown for 4 days, starting from tomorrow in view of the rising COVID-19 cases that are coming in. People thronging the markets in large numbers to buy essential items in both the cities, and locals were seen violating social distancing norms and lockdown norms as well. After ordering lockdown on Friday, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, however, clarified that all the essential services will continue to operate. So the question still evades is, why are these people out on the streets this way? But people are seen, as you can see from the visuals that are coming in as well, they're defying all the lockdown rules, coming out in large numbers, triggering the risk of spreading the coronavirus. Chennai, Coimbatore, Tirupur, Salem, Madurai, all will be under strict lockdown from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. from 26th of April to 29th of April. And according to the Union Ministry of Health and Welfare, Tamil Nadu has more than 1,700 cases at the moment.
The city of Chennai is buzzing with activity, with the state government announcing a 4-day complete lockdown. What we can see here now is large number of people hitting the streets to buy essential commodities. From early morning today, there has been large gathering. If I can ask my camera person Daniel to pan and show behind me, we can see how there is a huge traffic jam which is being formed here because of large number of people coming out, and also because the streets being barricaded. At this point of time, people are saying that with the 4-day complete lockdown, with all the essential commodity stores closed, this is high time that they actually try and get some kind of essentials for the 4-day stock up. State government's intention of bringing a complete lockdown and a containment strategy seems to be completely going against their interest, with large crowd actually coming out and gathering like this. Since the lockdown started, we have not seen this kind of a crowd in the city of Chennai. The 4-day lockdown announcement has created panic among the masses, and that's exactly what we are seeing here, with large number of people hitting the streets to buy their essentials. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.